Hey everybody, Marion the Barbarian here. This is not a shave video. This is the video I promised. Alright, I don't know how I'm going to title this, but these are razors for sale for beginners. I believe Lee Nunez hit me up for one of these, so one of these may be gone. I will talk to Lee. I need to send him a personal message or something. But we're going to go through the 5 razors. They're going to be 25 bucks a piece, flat out. That's all it is. Below in the description, I will link different strops available. I'm going to send these off to Mike Deckard, and Mike Deckard is going to hone them up, send them back to me, and then I'll mail them out to you. So, you know, hit me up on Instagram, Facebook, Messenger. That's the best way to do it. If you don't have either one of those, let me know in the comments and I'll give you another way to hit me up. So let's get into it. 5 razors. This is a really sweet razor. You can see there's still patina, like right here. There's not active rust. It's not looking awesome, but you've got some here. You can obviously see the patina everywhere. You can see where it started to get a heel hook. So the heel hook was ground away. This is a little bigger than most people would start out with. This, I do believe, is some kind of original scales. It's like a paper board. Now you can see there is rust in the tang. I said I'm not cleaning these up for that. This is one of those, you decide you want to start straight razor shaving. If you get something like this, you go and buy something better and then you start working on cleaning this up to be a nicer razor if that's what you want. But all these could turn into much nicer razors worth much more than you're getting them for. But right now, this one works and it still has the original lead wedge. Do y'all see that, guys? That's pretty cool. I'm hoping they take edges. I spent the day, this is not one of the ones available, but I spent the day trying to hone this one up and it's not sitting flat on the stones. I'm not good at honing and I'm having issues. Excuse me. So I'm thinking Mike Deckard might be able to do better than me. And this one was Wostenholm. Give me 1 second, guys. All right, sorry about that, guys. Next door neighbor thought it was someone in my house yelling. It wasn't. But anyways, this is a Wostenholm. Wostenholm Sheffield steel, very nice razor. This one is a Macon Shear company, made in Germany. It just says our special. As you can see, no active rust on this one, guys. It's just literally patina. I made sure I cleaned it up a little. I couldn't get the hinge pins to tone up on this. Sorry, there's a lot of background noise today. But anyways, I couldn't get it to like really tighten up like I wanted. Nice little razor, round point. This is a great starter. It's shoulderless, guys. But all these will be fine. If they take an edge, I will gladly shave with a razor like that. Because like I said, I was trying to get this one to hone up and look at the patina and darkness and everything on this. This one I'm kind of leaving as is because I like it. I would keep it for myself personally, but I do think it's a bitchin' little starter razor. It's a Robeson Shuredge. This is made in America, American steel. I believe it's a 5/8. If y'all can't tell, there's some etching on the face. And it kind of has like a hammered steel effect on here. It's why I didn't really want to polish it up. Light little scales, nice little razor. I think it's awesome. This one should take an edge easily. And I've shown these in other videos, so we'll make it quick. This is the FB Thomas. If it's not a 5/8, it may be a 4/8. This is a Pennsylvania razor, probably Solingen made or Solingen steel. That's the way things like this in America went, I do believe. Nice scales. I did tighten these scales up and it tightened nicely. And then here's the Boker that Lee Nunez may get, may not, I don't know. But that is a barber's notch Boker. Like I said, just a lot of patina. Looks good, guys. $25 a piece. Below there will be links for strops you can get, different prices. I'm going to keep them on the cheap side because I imagine if you want to buy one of these, you kind of want to enter the hobby inexpensively as possible. So we're going to go as inexpensive as possible. Sorry there was some interruption, background noises, but that's the gist of it, guys. Like, this is your way to pick up a $25 straight razor, find a link to like a $50 strop, $75 be straight razor shaving, and decide if this is something you want to do. So, all right, guys, thank you for watching. This is my infomercial. Not really making any money off this deal whatsoever, guys, and it's mainly because we've also got someone donating their services to make it available for you at this price. So again, thank you, and we will catch you tomorrow.